Woo, woo. Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at this pill storage bottle. Did I say bottle? Box. We need some coffee. Okay, thank you to the brand for sending me this. I'm going to give you guys my honest review here. So, top layer, you can put different stuff. I think what I'll probably put in here is a pill cutter. So there's small pill cutters you can get. That's nice. Let's see. So it looks like you lift this one up and that unlocks this compartment. And wow, so each compartment is individualized with its own lid and it's walled off, so no supplements, no vitamins, no pills touch each other. Nice little pull tabs here. I was wondering, because bigger fingers, if it's going to be easy or hard, but nice pull tabs. Different size compartments, which is nice. I also wanted to demonstrate, because a lot of people will get these for more than just supplements, pills, and vitamins. They'll use them for different rings, earrings, necklaces, and so forth, because it is one of the best ways of organizing different jewelries. So let's say you want to organize your rings. Look at that. You can use this to organize different rings that you have. And the same goes for nose rings, earrings. Now this one probably is not going to fit. He's a little bit taller. So we can take a look and see. But most people are not going to have a ring that's a frog. But, oh, look at that. Look at that. He fit over here. So just like that. Make sure these tabs are down. So you can use them for more than just supplements, vitamins, and pills.